If you hear a howling or a grinding noise coming from your rear end, come over here. Let me show you what was found on this truck. Notice the metal shavings and flakes that were found in the rear differential fluid. Oh no, that ain't no good. The rear differential's removed. Let's see what damages were found. Ring gear is all chewed up. Pinion gear, same thing. This differential is going to need to get completely stripped down and rebuilt. You guys think I ever changed the fluid before? If you enjoyed these videos, make sure you give it a like and follow me for more.